Good morning, children. In the molecule chapter, biomolecules chapter, first we start the carbohydrate. The carbohydrate are called saccharide. Or they are sweet in taste. That's why they are called saccharide. The carbohydrates are the compound of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. And the ratio of the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen is 1:2:1. Or the general formula is CH2O. They are the hydrate of carbon. Compounds of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. The ratio of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen is 1:2:1. General formula CH2O. They are also called saccharide and they are sweet in taste. They are further classified on the basis of unit. On the basis of unit, they may be monosaccharide. On the basis of unit, they may be monosaccharide, disaccharide, oligosaccharide and polysaccharide. So first one is a monosaccharide. Mono means one. The one saccharide unit, one sugar unit, then it is called monosaccharide. When the two units are there, they are called disaccharide. When they are 3 to 7 unit, they are called oligosaccharide. When they are 1000 or more than 1000, they are called polysaccharide. The monosaccharide example, glucose, fructose. Disaccharide example, sucrose, lactose. Oligosaccharide, the raffinose is there. And the polysaccharide example, chitin, cellulose. So the first we describe the monosaccharide. The monosaccharide means on the basis of the carbon they have. On the basis of the carbon they have carbon number 3 to 7. Carbon 3 to carbon 7 are included in monosaccharide. So the monosaccharide, the 3 carbon are triose. The 4 carbon is tetrose. The 5 carbon is pentose. And the 6 carbon is hexose. So these are on the basis of carbon number they have. 3 carbon triose. So the general formula is CH2O. So the triose, the example formula, general formula C3H6O3. Tetrose C4. We follow this rule. C4H8O4. C5H10O5. C6H12O6. So these are and the next one, the 7 carbon is haptose. C7, H14 and O7. So the monosaccharide, on the basis of the carbon they may be 3 to 7 carbon 7 compounds. So in our syllabus the hexose and pentose sugar is there. So first we discuss the hexo sugar. First we will discuss the hexo sugar or hexo sugar or 6 carbon sugar. We will discuss the hexose or 6 carbon sugar, that is hexose, monosaccharide 6 carbon hexose. Hexose are of two types, the aldose sugar and keto sugar. On the basis of functional group, if they have the aldehyde group, functional group means CHO, and if they have the keto group, they are called keto sugar. Keto group, keto sugar, aldehyde group, aldose sugar. The glucose, the aldose sugar, that is exists in open or ring form. It is exists in open and ring form, and both the forms are interconvertible. The open chain may be converted into ring chain and the ring may be converted into open chain. So, we discuss the structural formula of the sugar. 6 carbon sugar, the glucose and galactose. This is the structure of hexo sugar. Hexo sugar, the polyhydroxyl compound. The hexo sugar or the glucose is a polyhydroxyl compound. Polyhydroxyl, many OH bond functional groups are there. So this is a polyhydroxyl compound. The chain, this is the chain form and this is the ring form. When I already told they are interconvertible. When the ring form into the when the chain form convert into the ring form, a molecule of water is lost. So the water is lost, this H and this OH is lost, and this O atom is combinedly form the bond between the carbon 1 and carbon 5. This oxygen is common for carbon 1 and carbon 5. So, when the bond is formed, the carbon 1 and carbon 5 come to close to one to another. This is the carbon 1 and this is the carbon 5. Carbon 1 and carbon 5 share the oxygen. So, ring form is formed and the one water molecule is lost. Carbon 1, 2, 3, carbon 4, carbon, this is like this, carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3, carbon 4, carbon 5 and the carbon 6. The 5 carbon remain in the ring and the 6 carbon arranged as an arm of 5, as the extension of 5. So this type of ring is called pyranose ring. This type of ring is called pyranose ring. Pyranose ring. The carbon 1 and 5. Carbon 1 and carbon 5 share the same oxygen. And water is dissociate. Water is lost. The carbon 5 carbon in a ring and the 6 carbon remain as a arm of the carbon 5. So the hexagonal ring, this is the hexagonal ring, the 5 carbon, the hexagonal ring made of 6 carbon, made of 5 carbon and 1 oxygen. This type of ring is called pyranose ring. And the 6 carbon attached to the arm of 5. So the 5 carbon and 1 oxygen form the pyranose ring. Now the aldose sugar. This is the keto sugar. And now we discuss the aldose sugar. The in glucose molecule, the aldehyde, this is the aldose sugar, not the ketose. The aldehyde group is there, so this is the aldose sugar. In aldehyde group, the CHO group is always on the terminal carbon. This is the terminal carbon. In the glucose, the aldehyde group in aldose sugar remain at the terminal carbon. And the third carbon OH orientation is opposite. In other carbon, the OH are this side, and in the third carbon, OH orientation is different. So this is the aldose sugar. And now we discuss the keto sugar. In keto sugar, the functional group is not on the terminal carbon. It is in the subterminal carbon, that is on the second group C2. So we draw the sugar of keto sugar. This diagram is of keto sugar. The keto group is situated at the subterminal carbon. Subterminal means the carbon number 2. The aldehyde group is located at the carbon 1, that is terminal position. This is subterminal position. And this is the ring form of the keto sugar, and this is the chain form of the keto sugar, and this is the ring form of the keto sugar. The sharing of carbon, the bond is formed between the carbon number 2 and 5. The carbon number 2 and 5 form the bond between them. So the oxygen is shared with the carbon number 2 and 5. In the aldose sugar, the sharing of oxygen with the carbon 1 and 5, that is the 5 carbon and 1 oxygen form the pyranose ring. Here the ring is pentagonal. There the aldose sugar, the hexagonal ring is there. Here pentagonal ring, carbon 1 and 6 are located at the arm. The 1 is located at the carbon number 2 and the 6 is located at the carbon number 5. So this is pentagonal ring, the oxygen shared with the carbon number 2 and 5. And this ring is called furanose ring. Furanose ring, the 4 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon form the furanose ring, and the 1 oxygen is there. So this is the structure of the ketose sugar. The glucose and fructose both are the hexose sugar. And the glucose, when we discuss the glucose, that is the blood sugar. So the blood sugar means the blood sugar, that is glucose. The glucose and fructose both are the isomer, and the glucose and fructose both are the reducing sugar. Reducing sugar. Reducing sugar means the functional group is remained. When the bond form is there, the functional group is there. That's why they are called reducing sugar. So, this is the ring of fructose. Furanase ring is there. Fructose is not in the syllabus, but when we discuss the disaccharide, we have to mention the structure of fructose. So, next video we will discuss the disaccharide.